Today at shopdap.com, we're going to teach you how to do this. And this. Okay, so on our B8 S4, we've talked about stuff like this in the past on other cars. I want to show you on this car how to get the remote function where you hold the button on your remote to roll your windows down. This is going to be something that is mostly useful in summertime, but can be useful anytime to obviously roll down your windows with your remote to air your car out. We are going to be using OBDeleven Android-based scan tool. If you're not familiar with this, I'll link to it in the description below where you can check it out. But essentially, this is a device that will allow us to do coding through the control modules of the vehicle. Now, we're going to be using apps today to show you that because it is a much easier way to do that. They have the ability, if you buy the Pro version, to manually code it if you know how to do that. There's a bunch of tutorials out there on a lot of places. For this car would be Audi Zine, for VWs would be Vortex, where you can have a tutorial that shows you a step-by-step guide. Anything you see that relating to VAGCOM, something to keep in mind. The coding of all the stuff in these cars is depending on the modules in the car. So the devices, while the interfaces between OBDeleven and VAGCOM are different, the functionalities and what they access is the same information. So while there will be some slight variances, the coding that you're going to see for what somebody might have written up for a VAGCOM would be the same as the coding you'd use on an OBDeleven. With that said, let's go into show you our app. Okay, so we are connected to our device. It's plugged in onto the dash of the vehicle, and we're going to go to our top left here and go to Car and go to Apps. Now, these apps do require credits. The credits is something that you have to buy through OBDeleven. They're not particularly expensive, and you can get free ones in a bunch of different ways. So there are a variety of apps. This will vary depending on the vehicle. So you are going to want to look, and what you can do is if you want to make sure that the app that you're looking for is available for your car, you can download the app, install it before you even have a device because it doesn't cost anything, and then you are going to proceed to see what apps are available for that particular vehicle. They are going to be different applications for it and stuff like that, so you want to take a look at that just to make sure that whatever it is that you want to do is available for your particular car. So this is why apps are great, is because they're super simple. You don't need to know how to do anything. You just go from off to on when you should get into comfort windows. You hold the check mark, and it's going to say success. So we've used 10 credits for this, and the credits are going to be pretty inexpensive generally to get credits. And then we're going to have to go inside the car and actually change some stuff in the control unit. Okay, so here we are in our main menu, and we're going to go into your car, and then we're going to go into vehicle settings, and then we're going to go down to central locking. Now, it's going to open this option up, and you can go here, and you can turn this on. You can turn any of this stuff on or off, and these features will allow that to work properly. So, and then you can obviously see the other settings you have in here, as you can do the other things too. But we have gotten our other stuff handled, and now we can test it. Thank you so much for watching our video on remote windows on our B8.5 S4. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more like it.